Good morning, and today's date is in that of Monday, the 19th day of November, 2018. Welcome to the Crypto Day Morning. My name is Derek. All bets, trades of the like within one's own risk reward. And the Bitcoin price having a significant down session as it is currently down 8.5%, down to a little over 5,000 US dollars in at 5,081. And after the decent size fall last week, about 4 days of just going sideways amongst here, chopping up and down a little bit, and today, of course, breaking down some bigger levels of key support, but at this stage, just barely. As the key lows for the last session came in right here. So therefore, just within the last current 3-hour period, viewing such on the single hour time frame, it came down to that level of support at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. And I knew this morning when I was looking at my orders and I'm seeing all the orders that were filled at 3 o'clock, and it took a long time for me to even get my technology even working this morning, and it's great now. So it's been a busy day. Of course, I've went through many trades, and this video would have been up another 20 minutes later. It's just I got to wait for a Bitcoin transfer to start making some other trades. Therefore, I'm using that time now to do this video, but it's just broken the support. It did so at 8 a.m. The current level at 9 a.m. Just continuation amongst grinding its way lower. We can just see and get in here that it's barely broken below. So overall, because of that decline, I'm going to be looking most likely for this thing to probably within the day or tomorrow or soon have a good chance of at least coming down to around this 4,400 4,500 level, as again, because as shown here, this was a support it established in the first leg lower last time, breaking the key support, and then of course this in here just going sideways for a while, breaking below it after just short-term support only. Looks as if there's going to be more chaos as far as the downside's concerned. I'm still looking for that possibility of that failed breakdown fast move higher, because, and I've been looking at this possibility since back at the end of the spring, that okay, this thing will break below that 6,000-ish area. Well, a failed move would be around 5,000, 4,800-ish. Well, that's where we are now, because this is just not an area where I would expect the leg lower from the 6,000 long-term level to reach, as well, of course, as the short-term level to reach, as well as we currently stand now at the 5,100 mark. Overall, the markets are in the major red. I'm looking at this for the first time to see how, and there's not much of a difference, to see how Bitfinex is doing. There's a difference of 120 points. That's a little over 2%. It hasn't really changed in today's session. When we look at the movers to down, at least for crosses against Bitcoin, we can see in Binance Coin that other coins are even losing more, as I was predicting would be the case on Bitcoin falls, having higher percentage up and down moves, and that's of course exactly the case as far as the top gainers are concerned. Well, obviously the true US dollar against Binance and Bitcoin are going to be on that list. Ripple's doing pretty good. I was like, hey, I got a sell order on that earlier today. I thought that was pretty magnificent. But Ripple is where it's at right now, at least for the short-term movement. NEM and Lumen, I've been talking about them as they were looking pretty good. Both of them hanging in there really, really well. Litecoin is doing better than Binance Coin, obviously. And I didn't see a Litecoin buy order against Bitcoin for me. So obviously it's hanging in there, I think, against Bitcoin. Let me just take a look. And Litecoin against Bitcoin is 3.7. Take care.